This 2019 Palomino Puma 2018 Palomino Puma 32 RKTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Palomino is 35 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, air conditioning, skylight, auxiliary battery, water heater, oven, TV, spare tire kit, LP detector, stove-top burner, leveling jacks, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Palomino Puma 2018 Palomino Puma 32 RKTS is 7,941 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.